This is Project Fish, an E.C.D custom Defender 90 built to our client's exact specification. Fish is painted in eggshell Coniston green with black accents all round. Fish sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 satin black wheels with our BFG all-terrain tyres. This D90 features a 4-point soft-top roll cage, full-size rubber checker side steps and 2 LED lights in the front bumper. This 90 has almost a modern military look with a matte green finish. Inside, Fish features a Momo Indy silver steering wheel with vintage gauges, 2 Corbeau heated front seats and 4 inward facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in horizontal distressed nutmeg leather, stitched together in light brown. The interior of this D90 has a real classic yet luxurious feel throughout. Project Fish, unlike many, is powered by a fully rebuilt and upgraded RPI engineering Rover V8 with 5-speed manual transmission. Fish also features an array of modern touches such as wireless charging, Bluetooth audio and access to USB ports throughout. This gives this classic vehicle some modern creature comforts.